stop saving bags. Now, if you save these brown paper bags and you put newspapers in them or catalogs or magazines to take to the recycling place, that's great. Or just recycle the bag. If you're saving these from the grocery store, they're great for using maybe in your bathroom wastebasket or for kitchen scraps, things like that. But if you're not using it for that, take them back to the store. They will recycle them. And if you're saving all those cute little bags you get from boutiques when you go shopping, you're not going to use those for anything. So let them go. Stop cluttering up your kitchen, your basement, your garage with bags that you really don't need and you aren't going to use. Stop cluttering up your basement and your garage with empty boxes. If you save boxes every time you buy an appliance or a part for your computer, take those, knock them down, put them in your recycle bin and get rid of them. You'll think that you're going to pack up those items that way when you move, but that's not how you pack for a move. So stop cluttering your garage and your basement with unneeded cardboard boxes. Medications, first of all, stop keeping them in the bathroom. Way too humid in there. They shouldn't be in there. Keep them in the kitchen or keep them in your bedroom. But once a year, go through them, especially the prescription medications. And if you have ones that you didn't take because you stopped for some reason or they're out of date, gather them all up. You can take them usually, sometimes pharmacies will have a day where they will accept back medications, or you can take them usually to your local police station and they will dispose of them properly. Whatever you do, don't flush them down the toilet and don't just throw them in the trash. So many times when I have downsized people or cleaned out houses, I find dead batteries everywhere in drawers and cabinets. After a while they leak, they get pretty messy. People just don't seem to know what to do with the dead batteries. So this is what you do. You take a zipper bag, you write dead batteries on it, and every time you have a dead battery, you put it in the bag. Just keep it in your kitchen cabinet or your pantry somewhere where you know where it is. And when the bag gets full, you put it in your recycling bin or take it to your recycling center. But don't leave dead batteries laying around because they get pretty gross after a while. If you've got a drawer in your kitchen where you're putting little packets of ketchup, mustard, and mayo from takeout, or maybe tea bags and chopsticks from takeout, or that little packet that had the napkin and the fork and the knife, open that drawer up, bring the trash can over, and throw it all in the trash. If you didn't use it when you got the takeout food, you're never going to use it. So just clean that stuff out of the drawer.